Children, so today we will continue with chapter 3 addition. Okay, so now is your maths class. Take out your book, notebook, pencil, eraser. Okay, all are ready? Now look here. Addition is the process whereby we put the objects together. Sum means addition. Addition is counting forward. And what sign do we use in addition? We use plus sign for addition. Okay? Now look here, you can see this picture. What I have made for you, you can see there is a plus sign to indicate addition. Following words can be used. You can see the plus sign and from that add. These are the words which are used to indicate addition. Add, sum, join, in all, plus sign, plus, equal to. Okay, you can also make like this. So what it looks like. Now see, one ball is there, and again if I am giving you one ball and two more ball your mother is giving, then how many ball is there? 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Now you can see one fish in the lake and two more joins. So how many in all? 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. So today we will be doing addition of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. To add a 2-digit number with a 3-digit number, first add the ones, then the tens, and finally keep the hundreds. Okay, together we will solve the sums. Now see here the box is made 100, tens, ones, HTO. The number is 142 plus 36. Okay, so always write the numbers in the correct place. Now 142, how you will write? You have to write the numbers like this. First you will place in the ones place. Okay, now 142, so 2 is in ones place. You will write 2, then 4 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Now plus 36. Now 6 will be in ones place and 3 in tens place. Understood how you will write down the numbers? If you write like this, it will be correct. So we will add the numbers and don't forget to put the plus sign. Now first we will add the ones. 2 plus 6. How much? 2 plus 6. Who will say? It is 8. Then 4 plus 3. 4 in your mind and take out 3 fingers. After 4 what comes? 5, 6, 7. So you will write 7 here and 1 will come down because there nothing is written under 1. So the answer is 178. Okay. So always write the numbers in their correct place. Got it, children? Now see Find the sum. The sums are in your books only. We are solving from the book. If you are having book, you can do in your book. If you are not having, note it down in your notebook. Now we will add the first one, 123 plus 54. So 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 5, you know now how to count. Again 7 and 1 will come down. Okay. Now the next one is 254 plus 21. So first we will add the ones place. 4 plus 1, 4 is there. Keep 4 in your mind and take out one finger. So after 4, one finger, what it will come? 5. 5 plus 2, 5 and 2, 6, 7. And 2 will come down. Now the next one, 980 plus 16, 0 plus 6, 6, 8 plus 1, 9 and 9 will come down. Note it down. Understood? Now again the next sums we will do. Look here. See, 562 plus 25, 2 plus 5. Yes, now you know how to count. 7. 6 plus 2, 8. And 5 will come down. Now the next one, 675 plus 14. 5 plus 4, 5 in your mind, and 4 fingers, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9, 7 plus 1 is 8 and 6 will come down. Now 843 plus 36. 3 plus 6, yes, start counting. 9, correct. 4 plus 3, 7 and 8 will again come down. Now see, check the numbers. You have written correct or not? Okay. Now the next one. See, the numbers are given 174 plus 12. Now you have to write down the numbers. So how you will write? First you have to place in the ones place. So 174. So 4 in ones place, 7 in tens place and 1. Don't forget to put the plus sign. Okay, remember it. Now plus 12. 2 in ones place and 1. Now shall we add? 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 1, 8 and 1. So this is the answer. The next one you try how you will write the numbers. Yes, 349. 9 in ones place, 4 and then it will 3 in hundreds place, plus 20. So 0 in ones place, 2 and don't forget to put the plus sign. So 9 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 2, count, 6 and 3 will come down. So try the next one, how you will write it down. Start writing, then we will check, okay? Yes, 462. So 2 in ones place, 6 in tens place and 4 in hundreds plus 17. again put plus sign, 7 in ones place and 1 in tens place. So 2 plus 7, 9, 6 plus 1, 7 and 4. So the answer is 479. Okay, check it. You have done correct or not? And have you understood how you will place the numbers? You will start with ones. First you will put the number in ones place, then in tens place and in hundreds place. Okay, shall we go to the next page? Okay, now see, this is horizontal addition. First we were doing the vertical addition, standing line, standing it was. Now like this the number is written horizontal form and you have to add it. So how you will do? 30 plus 23. So again tens and ones, 2-digit number it is. So first you will add the ones place. See, 0 plus 3. How much? 3. And see, 3 plus 2, 5. 53. Okay, note it down. Try to do. Now, next one, 25 plus 41. 5 plus 1, you will get 6. And 2 plus 4, 6. Then again 11 plus 16, ones place, 1 plus 6, 7, and tens place, 1 plus 1, 2. Now the last one, 2 plus 2, 4, and 4 plus 5, you will get 9. So understood? You will add the ones first and then the tens. Correct? Finish writing? Okay. Now match the sum with its number names. Okay, you have to match the number sum with its number names. Sums means what the answer you are getting. 53 plus 21. How much you are getting? You can do in your notebook, your rough book. You will do the sums in rough. Then see what you are getting and then match with the number name. So first one, 53 plus 21. You are getting, yes, how much did you get? 74. Now see children, it is in your book only. You can complete it in your book. Now 62 plus 13. How much? 75. 45 plus 20. 65. Now 130 plus 16. Try to add 146. Now 107 plus 22. You will get 129. And 24 plus 15. The answer is 39. Have a look here. Understood how you will do the sums? Whatever the answer, you have to match with the number name. Done? Okay. Now addition of 2 3-digit numbers. See the first one. Numbers are written 253 plus 326. So we will begin. Start. 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 2, yes, count. 5, then 2, 7, and 2 plus 3 you will get 5. Finished? Now the next one, 321 plus 268. Plus sign, okay? Don't forget to put 1 plus 8, 9, 2 plus 6, 8, and 3 plus 2, 5. Okay? 607 plus 281. 7 plus 1, you will get 8. 0 plus 8, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Now check the answers. Note it down. Do in your book or notebook. Okay? Now again you have to place the numbers in their correct place. 635 plus 264. So first you will put in the ones place. This 5, 3, 6. And then 264, 4, 6, 2. Note down the numbers. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. Check it. Now 410 plus 409. Write it down. I have solved this. Now you will do these two sums. You will do same way you have to do. Okay? 0, 1, 4, then 9, 0, 4. Add it. Check with me. See you have done correct or not. 1, 4 plus 4, 8. Correct? Okay. Now 815 plus 183. So 5, 1, 8, and then here 3, 8, 1. 5 plus 3 you will get 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. See you have done correct or not? Correct it is? Very good. Noted? Now this is your homework. Note down. Add the sum. Okay, copy down properly. Don't forget to put the plus sign. Okay, I am waiting for you. Note it down. Finished? Shall I go to the next page? Okay. Now see these sums. Okay, children, note it down properly. Count very carefully. Place the numbers properly. Don't forget to put the plus sign. Okay, finish your homework. Now we will do our maths activity, which you have to submit in the Google form. Now tick the correct option. There you have to click the correct option. So 78 plus 10. What I have taught you, first you will add the ones place, this one, and then tens place. So how much you are getting? 88. Okay. Hundred plus 99. What is the correct answer? You can do in your rough book and you will get the answer, or you can add from here ones place, tens place and then hundreds. So the answer is 199. The number name of the sum 36 plus 20 is equal to 56. So which one is the correct answer? 56. Find it out. Here it is 56. Now question 4. 130 plus 160. Remember how to add? This ones place, 0 plus 0, 0. Then again 3 and 6, you will get 9, and this hundreds place, see 1 and 1, how much you are getting? So the correct answer is 290. Okay, ones, tens and hundred place like this you will add and you will get the correct answer. Okay, 290. Now this one, question 5, 356 plus 123 is 479. So you solve it and see the answer is correct or wrong. If it is correct, the answer will be true. Yes, you will get 479. So it is true. And the last one, 562 plus 25 equal to 577. See, check what answer you are getting. Answer is false. Okay. So children, have you understood how to add the numbers? Don't forget to put the plus sign. Put the numbers in their correct place. First you will add in the ones place, then tens, then hundreds. Okay. Thank you children. Bye.